All right, so we finished another great dental implant today. So tell me how things went with everything. What happened originally? Where were we?
So originally, my sister cut my tooth in half with her head.
Oh, lovely.
And they got to put in a post and a crown, and it failed and caused a giant cyst.
Ooh, yeah.
So I came in 2016 with a huge hole in my jaw.
Yes.
Had a bone reconstruction and then an implant, and after so many years, it is 2020 and my smile is finally perfect.
All right, I love it. Thanks for letting us help you out.
Thank you so much.
Did you do okay during the procedures and everything?
It was awesome. They
Good.
helped me just get through everything, and it is all perfect. My teeth are finally straight. There's no hole.
And you got your smile.
and
Even
I
with
got
all
the
this
smile.
COVID, we have to wear
Even
the
with
mask.
the masks.
Do you want to show us a smile real quick?
Sure.
Without them?
All right.
There we go, beautiful smile. So this is where we started with a tooth missing. There was a huge cyst in there. We got that out, rebuilt the bone, and it looks natural. Isn't that gorgeous? Thank you for letting us help you out.
Thank you so much for helping me.
You're welcome.